Hello, everyone. I am Jordan. I'm the youngest of the Zeemers, and I'm in town for a little bit. I thought I'd do a little bit of audio with my Papa Sauce here today.
So we have a guest speaker.
Yeah. Right now, got my brother. He's filling in some holes right now. Dad, I'll let you.
We had found these holes doing a vinegar bath on this metal to get rid of the rust. And the rust was actually filling some spots that were a little bit thin.
Had it in for about 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks.
Be able to get those little nooks and crannies of rust out.
Once the rust went away, we found those, and that's what Dylan's repairing. And I'm going to go up here to add another set of hands.
And a fat leg
and
to get in the way.
fat leg right in the way of everything.
Everything. But right now they're getting, what did you say, a spoon?
There's like a copper spoon. It's a backing tool that you put up when you're welding with metal. It's really thin. It
prevents it from dripping and
it helps support it.
Making a painful mess.
But since it's copper, the weld doesn't stick to it. So if you're going to be doing any sheet metal work, I definitely recommend buying one. And looks like Dylan's just filling in some of the holes right now, and I'm looking away because I'm just there for a few seconds.
Yep. Teamwork makes the dream work, though.
Yep. And Dylan's double checking. I'm triple checking. Yada yada yada. Looks like everyone's happy. Nope, one more.
Yeah. I do appreciate you guys practicing communication with safety issues. So
yeah,
don't want your eyeballs fried out.
I'm a little old to be losing my eyesight.
Yeah. Well, a lot old, but it's okay.
Oh, up yours.
Yeah.
I think we're done with that now.
Again, doing the double, triple check. Yeah.
Well, while Dylan has another set of hands, he's utilizing it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I think Dylan's going to show the camera, hopefully. Yeah, there we go. And that's some of the areas we had to weld. And he's just pointing out where there was a big crack he had to fill in. And this is also part of a mount that we had to make a piece on because it rusted away so badly.
And
we're going to show that here in just a minute.
With a vehicle this old, as all of you may know, they don't make these parts anymore. So being able to salvage this right here was a treat. But as you're about to see, some things have to be fabricated.
Yep. But that's why we work so hard to save this.
Yeah.
This is a side panel that we're going to show in a later video that we have to weld in because the sheet metal. Okay, here's the other part of the mount that I was talking about. You could see how rusted it was. And Dylan had to fabricate that, and he did a great job.